Back on my shit. Roll up the gas in the mosh pit. I'm steady making that profit. Why the hell she so obnoxious? It's like whenever we talking, she changed the topic. She want the topic. I might go take a little trip to the tropics. She grab my dick like a bobby. Bitch, I'm feeling on my pocket. Bitch, I'm really feeling on my ride. Yo, can't be trying to stay out the way, but these niggas still trying to find me.
Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my rent. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions and feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a tree, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
Alright, what it do, YouTube? I just woke up. It's currently the midday. I think I'm about to go link Neo. He should be here very soon. So without further ado, I'm going to throw on a fit. And I'm going to go ahead and link up with him. I think we got some work to do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah. What it do, YouTube? Mans are back in town. What are you saying, yo?
I'm here. Shout out to everyone. This is the second video of the new year.
Yeah.
And this question for me is my New Year's resolution. What is my New Year's resolution?
What's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution would be to be consistent on what I do and stay productive, stay valuable, and
And if you had to set a goal, like a milestone, what are you trying to do this year? Something big.
Something big is to reach a certain amount of subscribers.
Yeah.
And just put value.
Maybe 1K. 1K could be good. 500. 1K.
Yeah.
You know, 1K Neo. Maybe we 1K on the YouTube. You guys didn't know Neo's starting his own YouTube channel. You know what I mean? It'll be the first link in the description. I want y'all to go check him out. Let him know Wavy sent you. If you guys enjoy my videos, you're definitely gonna be enjoying Neo's videos. You know what I mean? We're gonna be going crazy in 2024. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get inside this library, and we'll pick it up then. Yeah.
Roll up the gas in the mosh pit. I'm steady making that profit. Why the hell she so obnoxious? It's like whenever we talking, she changed the topic. She want to talk.
Imagine putting in the work, yeah, we never ever serving, and curving. Never really at the library, really working. Let's hear something from Wavy. Oh, this guy always acting so damn crazy. He's shady. He's blazing.
Yes, that's bugged out his mind.
That's an editing. That's a crediting.
Yeah, we're sledding.
Bruh.
Yeah.
We're trying to plan a date to go.
Yeah, we're crying. We're crying. Yeah. What did you? Huh?
I can't edit the video, but
Yeah, I don't know why. But yeah, what did you do, YouTube? We still at the library with it, you know what I mean? 2024, we not wasting no time. We just putting in effort. We going crazy, you know what I mean? We just going up to the top. My New Year's resolution, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. Y'all been rocking me with for a while now. You know that's been my goal for, a hot minute. So without further ado, I'm going to just keep going. I'm going to just keep posting, you know what I mean? 2024, the new year. We've been just working. It's crazy.
Super.
What do you got to say, man? We're
shout out Foam Hearts.
Foam Hearts. If you know, you know.
No, you know.
Yeah. But I think we're going to be heading out soon. It was a good day. We really got a lot of stuff done, you know.
Really did. Feel very honored. Shout out to Wavy, yo.
And be on the lookout, you know. Neo's got a little something coming, a little something special. So, be on the lookout for that. Like I said, link in the description. So stop playing around.
And thrive on.
Yeah. And now I'm on the move. I think I gotta get this charger. I'm crying. I'm big crying. Charger broke. But I ain't finna waste time. I'm gonna go get this charger. One thing I don't like about, the weather right now, it's just so dark so early. Like, come on, man. Like, I'm trying to enjoy the weather. I'm trying to have a good time, and it's just pitch black. Can't even see nothing. Like, I'm crying. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on that transportation, and let's get to the charger, get to the mall.
I might go take a little trip to the tropics. She grab my dick like a bobby. Bitch, I'm feeling on my pocket.
Y'all just pre where I am. Please pre where I am, fam.
Bruh.
Like, bruh, men's are crying, yo. This is... Men's are crying. Gotta cross the street, though. Gotta be safe. Look both ways. Looking ass. Alright, man, as you can see, it looks like we made the Cry C. We made it to Cry C, man. I'm happy. I'm ready to get this cord. I'm ready to go home, man. I'm tired, yo. Really walking out when it's a negative, like, 10. I'm cold. But I'm gonna get this cord. I don't know how much I'm gonna film in there. I'm really just picking up this cord and dipping. But I thought, why not just pick up the camera when I'm on a little journey like this? Why not just do a little vlog, Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen to this footage? This footage may never make the internet, you know what I mean? But if it does, I hope y'all are happy. I hope you're having a great start to your new year. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this charger. Surdy, man, surdy. I got my cord. I'm on my way home. It's still cold though. My hair's blowing everywhere. But I'm just trying to get home and enjoy my night. No, it's here. No, it's here. No, it's here. Cry, cry, cry. Hey, it's not even here.
I'm really feeling on my ride. Okay, you're trying to stay out the way, but these niggas still bound to find ways to hate.
Alright, what to do, YouTube? I just made it back home. That's gonna be the end for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop a sub, like if you enjoyed, and like I said, we're gonna keep going all the way till 10K. But without further ado, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Let's go ahead and get it.
Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga.